Hey honeys, welcome back, and it's another hairstyle video. I'm super excited, guys. Thank you so much for stopping by. So guys, the hair is washed and moisturized and oiled, so all we're going to do now is to section the hair, and then here we start with our Cornrow. So guys, this with the style sectioning is super important. You want to make sure you're sectioning the right areas and the right places to get the desired look. So this is where you section. I'm just sectioning a part of the hair at the back, and that's exactly what you do as you see. Okay, and guys, I'm going to introduce you something that has just come from Africa a few hours ago, and it's my shea butter. Yay! And as you can see, I couldn't even put it in a storage bowl. I didn't want to take it out because I wanted to show you exactly how it is. I mean, look at the packaging. It's just organic. Okay, that's why I call organic packaging. It's amazing. And guys, normally I use this shea butter to make my aloe vera butter and all that. It's been amazing for our hair growth. Shea butter is just brilliant, guys. I haven't used it for a long time because I didn't have any, because I always get mine straight from Africa. I don't get it from, you know, anywhere else, because that's where you get a real organic and, you know, natural shea butter unrefined and not, you know, mixed with anything. So guys, you can see the Cornrow. So guys, look at that, that's all done, the first part done. And as you can see, I did the Cornrow from the outside to the inside to create like a ponytail kind of effect. So that's exactly what you do. You start from the outside, okay, so from the right into the center, and then from the left to the center, from the top to the center, from the bottom to the center, to create like a ponytail kind of effect. And that's the first part done. Now the rest of the hair I section into two parts, one on the right, one on the left, and then we start with the Cornrow. Now with the Cornrow, we're going to do like 4 cornrows on the right, and then this is on the left. And you start with the Cornrow. It should be thinner at the start, so you make it thinner at the start, and then as you go into the center of the head, you make it thicker, you make it bigger. Okay, I hope it makes sense. Okay, and we're going to do like 4 of these. Okay, okay, and now we start in the front. You want to get the side right as well. This is actually what makes this style super cute. So you want to get it right. You want to create like an L, you know, kind of tick effect. So like an L sign, kind of L tick sign sort of. Okay, so you start from the top, and then as you get to the top of the ear, you go up again. Okay, and we're doing about 4 of these. So again, you start from the top and then braid down, and as you get to the top of the ear, you braid up again, okay, to get like an L shape. Okay, Look at that, it's looking gorgeous already. Now guys, we've done 3. The 4th one, you want to start the cornrow a little bit lower than the previous one, okay? And then again, you're making like an L shape as well, but this time obviously shorter and smaller one. And then also we are making a part on the side as well, like a side part. You want to get that right as well. Here we go. So we're just going to put it into the camera. Now guys, after this 4th cornrow, the rest is going to be just single plaits, okay? 3 strands single plaits, no more cornrow on the side, okay? The rest of the hair on the side, we're going to do just single plaits, 3 strands single plaits, okay? 3 strands single plaits at the root, and then as you get into the top, you do a 2-strand twist, okay? As you can see. So as you can see me doing, all I'm doing is 3-strand single plaits, okay, at the root, and as I'm going to the end of the hair, I'm doing a 2-strand twist, just like I did with my previous hairstyle video for my younger daughter. That's what we're doing. After the bantu, see at the back, we did a 3-strand twist and 3-strand single plait, okay, and then that was at the root, and then once we get into the end of the hair, we did a 2-strand twist. So that's exactly what we're doing here. If you haven't seen that video, guys, go and check that video out, okay? That is the bantu knots in the front and then the 2-strand twist at the back. It was super cute, and you guys were so super supportive of it. But that's what you can see, guys. We've done exactly the same on the other side as well. So then at the top, okay, we're doing again the 3-strand single plaits, okay? That's what we're doing. So you just do cornrow on the side, and then when you get to the top at the center of the head, you do single plaits, 3-strand at the bottom at the root, and then as you get into the top, you do 2-strand twist, okay? Okay, so we're doing the final one, and then after that, guys, you can see I didn't finish the hair, okay? I did the cornrow to, I think, to the middle of the hair, and then now I'm going to finish the rest of the hair all in 2-strand twist. I'm going to twist the rest of the hair, okay? So that's exactly what you're going to do. The rest of the hair, you're going to twist everything. Now the twist makes it, gives it that volume, because when you do, you know, 3-strand braid, it kind of shrinks the hair and it doesn't give it that volume. So we're going to go for a twist, which will give, as you can see, looks super cute already, guys. Now I want to give a oh, look at that, guys, look at that. Super cute. So you can see both sides all done, and then we put some nice cute braid and beads in there, okay? There you go, guys. It looks super cute, super cute. And also you can see I didn't put the beads everywhere at the inside part. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. Thank you to all my new subscribers as well. Thank you for your shout. Thank you so much. Look at that, really fun, beautiful, guys. Okay, and here this is Missy showing up with her modeling skills when I thought I have finished and I'm packing away, and I started to tidy up. I didn't know the camera was on, so she was doing her own thing in front of the camera. I thought I would show it to you. I saw it when I was editing. I was like, oh my goodness. But anyway, I thought I'll show you to you guys. There she is showing up whilst I'm busy tidying up and packing away. But thank you so much, guys, for watching. Thank you so much. Don't forget to thumbs up, subscribe, and share, guys, share, and we'll see you again in our next video. Love you to the moon and back. Bye bye.